I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Stripe to Wise, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by accessing your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you have your account credentials handy to avoid any delays. Step 2. Check your balance. Once logged in, navigate to the balance section to see the available funds you can transfer. This will give you a clear idea of how much you can move to Wise. Step 3. Initiate a payout. Go to the Payouts tab and click on New Payout. Here, you can specify the amount you wish to transfer to your Wise account. Step 4. Enter Wise account details. When prompted, input your Wise account information, including the email associated with your Wise account. Double check this to avoid any errors, as a small typo can lead to delays. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the details you've entered, then click Submit to finalize the transfer. You should receive a confirmation email from Stripe once the payout is processed. Transferring funds can feel daunting, but following these steps should make it a breeze. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for help. Happy transferring!